Here's how you can use the homepage template for your Canvas course. Here's my Sandbox course. It's empty right now. I'm going to go to the Canvas Commons. That's a space where users share Canvas content. Once in Canvas Commons, I'm going to search for Brookline. And I'll see the content that's specific for Brookline. The first piece there is the homepage template for summer 2020. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click Import or Download. I'm going to click Import and put it into my Sandbox course. There's my Sandbox course. I'm going to say Import into Course. And it just takes a moment to do that. But while I'm here in Canvas and Commons, I'm also going to import this Getting Started template. I strongly suggest using it. You can choose not to, but I'm going to import that, and I'm going to import it into the same course. I'll find the Sandbox and import it into course. Again, it's just going to take a moment. I'm going to go back to the dashboard and back to my Sandbox course. So there you can see the module has already been placed in the course. The Getting Started module is there. But what I want to do is work on the pages, because I want to work on my home page. So there it is, the homepage template 2020. I'm going to open that page up. But before I edit it, I want to set these new editor features. These new features will make my life much easier. I'm going to go to Settings and Feature Options and turn on the RCE enhancements and also the RCE autosave. There's no save button. I just have to turn those switches on. But those are going to give me a new and better set of tools to work on this home page. So I click on Home Page, and I'm going to go to Edit. Now I can make the window better with those set of 8 dots at the far right. I can make it larger so I can see what's going on. So first, I want to put a banner here. Now there's another video that explains how to create a banner, and I already went through that video, and I have a banner on my desktop. You should view that video and make the banner if you haven't done so already. But once I have the banner, I can delete this text. I can click on the image and say Upload Image. I've got a banner on my desktop, so I'm going to click Upload right here in the middle of this picture. And it's called Math Banner. I'm going to click on it and say Open. So there's the banner, and I'm going to say Insert. So now my banner is on my home page. Now, there's a set of icons. These icons don't link to anything yet, but I can link them to things. I'm going to get rid of this yellow text and the extra space, and I'm going to click on the icon. Once I've highlighted the icon, I can go up to this link, and I'm going to make an internal link or a course link, because I want to link this Getting Started to that Getting Started module that I brought in. And now it's linked. When students click on that little icon, it'll take them directly to the Getting Started module. I'm also going to link this instructional modules to that Getting Started module. Later, when I build out this course, there'll be more modules in there. But for now, there's just the one. And I'm going to get rid of this text. I'm not going to link this course resources until I create a page. But I can go down to the learning activities here, and I can write what's happening the first week. So the idea here is to put focused text with some links on what students should work on. So the very first thing on Monday is to complete the Getting Started module. So I'm going to go in, it's going to be a course link again, and again I'm linking to that module. It could link to somewhere else, it could link to a specific assignment, but that's how you create a link in that table. Now I've also got down here all this sample of how to add a message, the teacher link. And that's what I'm going to do with this little envelope over here. So to do that, I've got to go to the people page on the course. and I'm clicking on my name in the people page. I'm the only person in there, and I'm holding the right key down. I'm holding the control key down while I click, and I'm going to choose copy link address, because that's what I want. I want the copy link address from this. And then I've copied it, and I'm going to go back to the page. I've still got a copy of that link address. I'm going to edit the page. This is the autosave feature. I don't need to autosave anything because I saved it properly before. And I'm going to get rid of the text here. I'm going to click on the envelope and go to the links. And in the links, I'm going to make an external link. This has to be an external link, and I'm going to paste that external link in there. And now that icon, message the teacher, will launch a message to me, the teacher. And now I'm going to get rid of these things down below here. These don't need to be here. This was just for your information. So I'm going to delete all that and delete those lines as well. And now the page looks pretty good. I'm going to save it. You do need to save as you work through the pages. So the page is saved, but it's still not my home page. I have to set it as the home page. And to do that, I'm going to go back into Pages. And I'm going to find that page. And in those dots next to it, I'm going to say Use as Front Page. If that option doesn't appear, it's because you haven't published it. It needs to have a green circle next to it. But now a little banner has appeared there that identifies that as the front page of all my pages. So now I'm going back home, and I'm going to choose the course home page, and I'm choosing Pages, the front page, because that is the one that I selected. I tell it to be this front page, and so now that's my home page. And so now when the students click home, they're going to end up on that page that I made from the template. The end.